Hey guys, if you want to see how I created this simple everyday makeup look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so for my everyday makeup routine, I always start with my eyebrows first, and I will be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. I want to apologize to you guys because I know I have not been as consistent as I used to be or as I would want to be. I kind of felt stuck. I'm stuck at home. What can I possibly film? But I got some ideas, so I'm gonna be filming a few videos for you guys this week. Let me go ahead and do my eyebrows really quick. So after I finish doing my eyebrows, I like to brush my eyebrows again just to make sure there isn't any hard lines, like harsh lines. And if there's any excess product, it's just kind of easier to just brush it out. And then I go in with the concealer. I'm using the Tarte in Light Neutral. Hopefully we can all get past this pandemic going on. I hope everybody is safe. I hope everybody is being careful. Thank you to everybody that is risking their lives, their health right now, all those nurses and doctors to take care of everybody. And if we all just be extra careful, we'll help each other and hopefully get over this together soon. Alright, so let me go ahead and just finish my brows and then we'll continue. After I already put concealer on my eyebrows and my lids to conceal my eyelids, I do like to put setting powder for just a moment on my eyelids. That way when I go ahead and do my eyeshadow, they won't crease, or at least they won't crease as much. And the setting powder that I'm using, it's Extraordinary Translucent Power. So I just put them there for just a moment. Ya las quito. Then I just brush it out. So for my everyday look, I usually use like nude eyeshadow colors. The one that I've been using a lot is the Jackie Hill palette. I mostly just use the colors on this row, so like from here and here. So these are the main 5 I've been using right now as like an everyday. And sometimes maybe like this one. Today I'm gonna go with this one, so I'm gonna be using this shade. So right after I finish with my eyeshadow, I will just move on to my eyelashes. Make sure you guys stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you what the makeup giveaway is going to be, like the products. So stay tuned towards the end of the video, okay? I'm not going to do my lower lashes right now with mascara because I am going to apply my foundation and concealer. So I'm going to leave those for the end. Right now for my foundation, I've been using the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. And I don't even know how to pronounce my shade. I want to share with you guys these brushes that I have been absolutely in love with. I'm going to leave down below like the link to their Instagram so you guys can check them out. Is there a cute little logo? So this was my foundation brush for the longest time because it was my favorite. But once I tried this one, I switched completely. I still really like that one. It's a Real Technique. But this one it's just great. So let me go ahead and just quickly put on my foundation. The reason why I've been really loving this NARS foundation is that I've always had the hardest time finding the perfect like tone that will match my skin. And then boom, I found it with NARS. Cause trust me, I tried a lot of different brands, and it just, they weren't the one. They weren't the one. Okay, so let me go ahead and apply my foundation really quickly, and then I'll move on to the next thing. And then after I am done with my foundation, I move on to concealer. And I'll be using the same Tarte one. For concealer, I don't overdo it. I really, even if I go full glam, I don't overdo my concealer, because whatever you apply in one part is naturally going to expand. And I just do a little bit wherever I need it, and that's it. So, lo pongo aquí donde tengo my ojeras. Just about that, and that's it. And maybe just like the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. And that's all the concealer that I'll be using, whether it's like my simple everyday makeup or my full glam. That's all the concealer I'm using. I don't know if you guys know, but your under eye is 10 times more sensitive and delicate than the skin on your cheeks or anywhere else on your face. I always do my conceal my under eye with my finger because it's really gentle. And I did also learn that this finger specifically is your most like light finger or something like that to use. I mean, I could be wrong. And you know, like my ojeras are kind of still there. They didn't completely like disappear, but that's okay. I used to not wear fake eyelashes, but the difference that eyelashes make on your face. So I'm still learning how to put on eyelashes. I'm better at it, but I'm not like perfect at it. If I'm gonna do makeup, I'm gonna put on eyelashes. That's just a fact. So let me go ahead and put on my eyelashes, and then we'll continue to whatever is next. So I got my eyelashes on. If needed, I will curl my eyelashes or put a little bit of mascara. I think they're fine the way they are. I might put just a little bit of mascara. I do need to get new eyelashes. I mean, maybe you're not supposed to put mascara on your eyelashes, but I just do. I buy like cheap eyelashes, like $3-4, so it's fine. After I got my eyelashes on, I go ahead and apply mascara to my lower lashes. Next, what I'm gonna do is contour just a little bit, or you can use bronze. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the angle contour little brush from the brushes I've been telling you guys about. And then next I will go in with my highlighter. I won't do a lot, I'll just do a little bit. Enough to be like noticeable, but not a lot where it's like you're blinding people. More subtle. Also do on the tip of my nose. I'll do a little bit more on the tip of my nose. And the bridge. And then that's about it. Last but not least, I do my lips. For my lips, I always make sure I put chapstick on first. So I'm going to be using the Oil Spice from Revlon. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Undressed. And that's it. This will complete my everyday makeup look. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it's really, really cute. So I hope you guys liked it. And yes, for the giveaway, we are really close to get to 100 subscribers. So I'm going to show you guys what will be in the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away my absolute favorite lip liner, which is the one I just used, the Revlon Oil Spice. I'm really loving this one a lot. And the Dark Peach from LA Girl. And I'm going to be doing a palette, which is... Da-da-da-da. Yep. So for the giveaway, I will be giving away this brand new Ombre palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to open it for you guys so you guys can check it out. So all you guys have to do to enter the giveaway is just comment down below giveaway 2020, and that is it. You'll be entered to win this. You guys can start commenting that as of today, as of this video. And once we get to 100 subscribers, I will be announcing in another video who is the winner of this giveaway. Entonces, para poderte ganar esta paleta, lo único que tienes que hacer es poner abajo en los comentarios giveaway 2020 y ya vas a estar entrada para tener chance de poder ganarte esta paleta de Ombre. So, muchas gracias por ver mi video. Espero que les haya gustado este simple look. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!